start, yeah? Greetings everybody. My name is Oscar. So today I'm going to talk about a few things here. I'm going to talk about how we managed to do these drawers. Now, if you notice properly, when you look at the product properly, the only thing we used was clamps and glue. Now, today I want to discuss to you how we managed to get it to this kind of quality. Here we decided that we are not going to be using nails or screws when it comes to joinery. So the kind of tools which really helped me to achieve to this kind of level is number one, this is the F clamp. This is the F clamp, which is about 2 inches. No, sorry, which is about 24 inches in length. This is now the F clamp. It is very, very easy to use. This is how it is done. Yeah. So you have the knob here, and then you have these contact points here. This is now the F clamp. The second tool that we use is called the G clamp. Now, this G clamp, we were using it to clamp on the joints here, as you can see. Here is where we used the G clamp. Yeah, this is where we used the G clamp. Yeah, that is how we managed to clamp tightly on the joint, as you can see there. The third tool that we used is called a T clamp. This kind of clamp is mostly used for bigger projects like wooden doors or wooden windows. So how we used it, let me demonstrate a bit here. This is how we use the T clamp, because we used it on joinery for this, and the larger drawer, which is this one. So for the T clamp, this is how we used it. Okay, we had to place two T clamps. So this is how we managed to tie it to the floor. So we had 2 clamps. We had 2 of them, that one and the other. Then we managed to tie it here. That's how we did it. Then we managed to tie. Just doing a brief demonstration, because these ones are already done. That's how we tied it. And then we had to use the F clamp, which is this one. We tied the wood here. We tied on that side, and we tied another piece on this side. You will manage to see these projects on YouTube Shorts. That's where we've been posting. So that is how we managed to do it. So the reason why we had to use 2 clamps is to tie these long pieces of wood, and then to the short one here as well. So the G clamp, we tied 4 G clamps on each side. Yeah? So we tied it. That's how we tied the G clamp. As you can see, if you use these clamps, then you'll not need to use nails, because the way I've seen with most carpenters, what they do is that they nail from this side. Yeah. So the G clamp is to tie. You clamp on the joints here, directly on the joints here, as you can see. And then the F clamp is just to put the 2 long pieces of wood together. Yeah, here we just tie here so that the joints can be able to have some more tension for this side. And then now the the G clamp, sorry, the T clamp is now to compress, the two long pieces of wood. So we also use the T clamp on these ones. So now you compress it from this end, yeah, and then now the G clamp, you compress it from this end, and then now also the F clamp, you can compress it on either of the sides, but on these sides. Yeah, that's how we did it. Now, another thing I wanted to explain is the type of joint that we used is called a finger joint. Yeah, this is how it's done. You chop out you chop out some chunks from this side, yeah, and this side, and then now you have three projections, yeah, and then you have the grooves here done on the sides. That is how we managed to do it. The advantage when you use the finger joint, one of the advantages is this: you not need to use screws, yeah, and then secondly, you also not need to use nails, because when you use nails and screws on this kind of thing, the finish doesn't come out so well, yeah, because also what will happen, the next video I'm going to show you how we are going to attach this to the cane. Now cane is this one. Our client wanted these drawers to be attached with the cane. So on the next, okay, that will be a video for the next project. Now, when you use the finger joints without the nails or screws, you're able to work on the piece. Like for example, what you're going to do to these wooden panels, we are going to put some grooves down here. Yeah, we're going to put some grooves down here. Now, when you have the nails, it becomes very difficult to run the router on the piece of wood there, because what we are making, we are making a laundry hamper. It will have the canes, the cane as that will be part of the project, and then again this laundry hamper will be different, because we are not going to use the normal runners. Okay, here in Kenya we have runners that are commonly used, but the disadvantages with runners is that with time they fail. But now if you use the grooves, and if you use the wooden runners, they last for a very long time. And then another thing is it is a natural product. So that is what I had to explain for today. So what you need when you are doing this kind of joinery, the most important thing that you always need are clamps, and a lot of clamps, so that you can have the work to this kind of finish. So thank you so much. I really appreciate the engagement that I'm getting. Yeah, every day we are doing shots each day, around 3 shots per day or 4 shots per day. So then you can be able to see how we get our things done. And then now, like I said, yesterday we did also a longer video. So I said I'll try and post longer videos each and every day. So my name once more is Oscar Kibet. Like I said, we usually do rattan, furniture, and basketry. Just like yesterday I showed you there, those are the baskets that you do. And then when it comes to furniture, this is a part of the furniture that you do, and like that is the belly cot. Yeah. So I'll be sharing a lot more on what we do. So thank you so much, and please kindly like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. so much.